Students, this is one of the example of symmetrical component. So here in a three-phase four-wire system, the line currents are given and you have to calculate the positive, negative, zero sequence current in R phase and in neutral wire. So these type of questions always asked in GATE exam or in any type of exams, any competitive exams. They are one of the components they can ask from you. So here for R phase we know that the formula is 1 by 3 of IR plus IY I plus IB. So by putting all these values we can get this, and now it is in polar form. You have to calculate using this thing. So if you know how to convert polar form in rectangular form with the help of calculator, you can solve it easily. But if you don't know how to convert from polar to rectangular form, you have to apply this thing here. That means you have to convert this polar form in rectangular form as cos 30 degree, then plus j sin 30 degree. It is 350 plus 50 angle 300. So you will write it here as cos 300 plus j sin 300. For 30 angle 180 degree, you can write as 30 cos of 180 plus j sin of 180 degree. So after solving this, we will get like this value. It is 6.60 plus j, it is 50. And this value we will get 25 minus j, 43.3 value. And again this value is minus 30 degree. Not degree, it is minus 30. Then separating the real and imaginary part and dividing by 3 value, we will get this value, and this is called basically rectangular form. This is called as rectangular form. Then how to convert this rectangular form in polar form? You know the formula. If a rectangular form is like this, a plus jb, it can be converted in polar form as under root of a square plus b square angle of tan inverse b by a. By using this formula, you can convert this rectangular form in polar form. Okay. Similarly, we have calculated here the zero sequence current, that is 27.29 angle of 4.68 degree ampere. Then the positive sequence current we have to calculate. For this we will use this formula, that was 1 by 3 IR plus A IY plus A square IB. And what will be the negative sequence current? It will be just opposite. We will just exchange these values. A square will be written with AY and A will be written with IB. Okay. Now again we will calculate from this using this formula. So IR here is 100 angle 30 degree plus A was a factor operator जो yesterday we have studied about this. So A value was 1 angle 120 degree, then multiply it with 50 angle 300 plus A square is 1 angle minus of 120 degree. Multiply this with IB, that was 30 angle of 180 degree. Then adding how the polar things are multiplied. When we multiply two polar things, then the magnitude area will be multiplied, means 1 angle 50 will be 50 and the angle will be added, means here the angle will be 120 plus 300, that is 420. Okay. So 420 is what? 420 is basically 360 plus 60 degree. Means we are going beyond 60 degree. That means what? We have calculated, converted all this 360 degree. We have completed 360 degree. Then again we have to start from 0 means 360 is completed at this point, then 60 degree what will be near to this. So total value will be 420. Now what we can write, in place of 420 we can write as 60 degree, because we have started again from 0 degree. So in place of 420 we can write directly to 60 degree, or we can write what? Remaining part is 300. Minus 300 we can also write. So here if we write it as 60 degree, then by putting this 60 degree, or this thing is explained here, cos 420 is cos 360 plus 60 degree, that is cos 360 plus theta is cos theta, then sin 360 plus theta is sin theta. Now put all these values in this equation, then by solving this value we can get the positive sequence current as this. Now convert this in polar form, that we will get 57.98 angle of 43.3 ampere. This is positive sequence current. Similarly for negative sequence current, what we will do, again exchange these values and we can get this formula. Use this formula. Here IR is 100 angle 30 degree plus A square was what? It was 1 angle minus of 120 degree. Then IY was 50 angle 300 plus A was 1 angle 120 plus IB was 30 angle 180 degree. Then again multiply the magnitudes, that is 50, and add the angle values. Now we will get 50 angle 180 degree, and this will be what? It will be again 420, and again 420 can be written as minus 300 degree. Now when we will convert this polar form in rectangular form, we will get this type of calculation. Now again separating the real value and imaginary value, we can get this value, that is 17.2 plus J8 means the negative sequence component will be 18.96 angle 24.9 degree. So we have calculated all the three sequence currents, that are zero sequence current, positive sequence current and negative sequence current. So from here we can see that the higher value of current is in positive sequence, okay, that is 57.98 ampere. So always it happens, positive sequence current is always greater than all other two currents. Then next thing we have to calculate the current in neutral wire. So neutral wire current, as we know that if there is a star connection like this and there is a ground here or neutral point, so in neutral point what current is there? The sum of three line currents, So actually in star connection phase current and line currents are equal, that's why this is summation of three currents, that will be the neutral wire current. So here it will be IR plus IY plus IB. By adding all these values we will get 81.87 angle 4.7 ampere. So this was an example, and you should be handy to calculate all these values.